So this is the main interface of Smart PSS. First things first, let's add a device. To do so, click on Device Manager. Here you'll see a list of the devices already connected, if there are any. To add a new device, click Add. Doing it this way, you'll need to input the device name, IP address, username, port and password. Alternatively, if you instead hit the Auto Search button, you'll be presented with a list of all the devices on the network. Tick the box next to the device you're looking to add, and then click the Add button. You'll need to enter the username and password for that device that you would have set up when you initially configured it. So once you've entered the username and password, hit OK, and there you have it. Your device should now be listed and ready for you to manage. Let's now take a quick tour of the interface back on the home screen. It's here that you have access to the live feeds, playback, the device manager, the log, event config, and more. By going to the live view, you'll be able to view multiple devices all at once thanks to its split screen, and you can assign what footage you want where by simply dragging the device from the list on the left. And once you've done that, you can then double click on any device for a more comprehensive view. Smart PSS Lite also comes with some advanced features that are worth setting up. Let's take a look at how you do that now. So in the event config section, you can manage motion detection alerts, tripwire alarms, and so on. You can configure the settings as required by selecting the relevant device here on the left, then the channel event you want to set up before toggling on those features you want to activate. Thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos from us here at SPRO.